Yeah, my friend asked me to do a makeup routine, and I was like, oh yeah, I usually don't really wear makeup. It's just like mascara, highlight, lip gloss, and eyeliner. So yeah, I guess this was a makeup tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an eyeliner tutorial. I don't usually wear eyeliner on my channel. I don't usually wear eyeliner on my channel, but I'll just give you guys a tutorial because I do wear eyeliner. So yeah, I guess this will be a little eyeliner tutorial. I already said that. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you give this video a like. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Okay, so basically, I use this eyeliner called Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner. It probably didn't focus on it, but it looks like that. And yeah, you see how my eyes look. I have these kind of eyes. So yeah, I have some wipes in case I mess up. And so right now I don't have any makeup on or whatever. And we're going to start basically. Oh. So yeah, the top of the thing looks like that. So this is my mirror I'm gonna use. And okay, so basically, oh, don't mind this if you guys can see it. Don't mind that. Anyway, so you basically want to start at the bottom. My hands are shaking for no reason. I like the bottom of your eye, like the middle-ish, and go up like that. And then you go from, like, you know, the middle of your eye where your top lid's right there, basically right there, and you connect them, and then you color it in. Yeah, so that's that part. That's how it looks right now. And then I get some more on the thingy, and I go on my waterline and fill my waterline in. Like, not my whole waterline, just like where the eyeliner like meets my eye or whatever. Like there. You don't want you don't want like the eyeliner to go to the way middle of your eye. Actually, that's fine. If you want to, you can bring the line all the way to the middle. Yeah, that's how it looks. And then after that, I kind of like go in and fill it in a little bit more. So I'm going to do that, and I can't really hold the mirror while doing it, so I'm just going to do that and then come back. So I did that one. I'm probably so bad at explaining it, but yeah. Anyways, we're going to do it to the other eye. And should I move the camera so you guys can actually see what I'm doing? If you can see the ring light, then my bad. I was trying to make it easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna do my next eye. I mean my other eye. I cannot see. Please don't mind my ring light at all. Go to the bottom. Go to the bottom and go out. I feel like it looks so bad because I'm looking in that. So I kind of did it, and now we're gonna go back and fill it in a little bit, and then bring like the bottom over like towards the middle. Owie. Almost done. I feel like the other eye looks a lot better. The other eye probably looks a lot better. But anyways, I'm gonna try and clean it up a little bit. Yeah. Oh. we're gonna clean it up a little bit with this makeup wipe. This isn't even a makeup wipe. Why am I lying? This is a baby wipe, guys. Baby. Okay, I'm gonna fill it in a little bit more. Okie dokie, that's basically it. Now I'm going to now I'm gonna basically finish the look by putting highlight on my inner corners and my nose and brushing up my eyebrows, and then I put mascara on my lower lashes, and then I put some lip gloss on. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up because they look hideous. I have 0 eyebrows, but it's okay. Mascara on the top ones. I only put them on the bottom ones. Well, when I do eyeliner. Actually, should I put mascara on my top lashes? We might try something new today. Okay, by the way, I'm going to put mascara on my top and bottom. The mascara I'm using is CoverGirl Peacock Flare Waterproof. This one. So yeah. So. By the way, oh, and I need to clean up there's like mascara on my eyelid, but I'll clean that. By the way, I didn't post last week because I didn't know what to film, mostly. Basically, yeah, I just didn't know what to film. It's so hard to like come up with stuff in quarantine because you see other people who are like older and they have channels that are like really big, but they can like drive everywhere and like do stuff. But I cannot do as much as they can do. So it's just hard to like come up with things to do, you know? I just do the best that I can. So yeah. Okay, we're done with that. Now I'm gonna put on some highlight on my nose. This is Profusion. This isn't even mine, this is my sister's. But you know what song has been in my head? That one song where I put Charlie Puth. How long has this been going on? You've been creeping around for me. I don't even know why. It's just been in my head literally all day. We put a lot of highlight in my inner corner. I hope it's still filming, boy. If it's not, I will cry. Actually, let me check. Wait, put some lip gloss on now. I need some more lip gloss, but I just put some clear lip gloss on. Anyways, that's how the final look, I guess. Actually, should I get a hat and put a hat on? Let's see. It might make me look a little bit better. It does look a little bit better, in my opinion. But anyways, that's basically it. And I'm sorry if you guys didn't really understand like whatchamacallit. If you guys didn't really understand me trying to explain like my eyeliner tutorial, like how I do my eyeliner. I'm very bad at explaining stuff, but anyways, hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'm trying to come out with a playlist video, a music playlist video next week. Hopefully I can do that, and I'll also be straightening my hair sometime this month, so we'll see which one comes out first. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.